CapCut template not showing? Here's how to fix it. Hey, everyone, welcome back to your. If you're here, chances are you're struggling with CapCut templates not showing up. Don't worry, we've got you covered. Stick around, and I'll walk you through the reasons why this happens and how to fix it step by step. So, you open CapCut, head over to the templates section, and nothing. Either the templates won't load, or you don't see the option at all. Sound familiar? This can happen due to a few common reasons. 1. Your app isn't updated. 2. You're in a region where templates are restricted. 3. Your internet connection is acting up. Let's fix it. First things first, make sure your CapCut app is up to date. To do this, 1. Go to your App Store. 2. Search for CapCut. 3. If you see an update button, tap it. Templates might not appear if you're running an older version of the app. Next, CapCut templates might not be available in some regions. If that's the case, try using a VPN. A VPN lets you change your virtual location to a region where CapCut templates are supported. Here's what to do. 1. Download a free VPN app, like Proton VPN. 2. Connect to a country like the USA or Canada. 3. Relaunch CapCut and check if the templates appear. Now, let's make sure your internet connection isn't the culprit. Templates need a stable connection to load. 1. Test your Wi-Fi or mobile data by opening another app. 2. If it's slow, restart your router or switch to a stronger network. 3. Reopen CapCut, and your templates should show up. If all else fails, uninstall and reinstall CapCut. Sometimes, a fresh installation clears out bugs or glitches that might be blocking the templates. Here's a bonus tip: if templates still aren't working, try creating your edits manually using CapCut's built-in features. You'd be surprised how creative you can get without templates. Subscribe for more.